The Fluke 116 HVAC Multimeter is expertly crafted for HVAC professionals, ensuring precision in various troubleshooting tasks. This multimeter is equipped with a built-in thermometer that measures temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for extreme conditions. With the ability to test microamps, it efficiently evaluates flame sensors, which is crucial for maintaining HVAC systems. The Fluke 116 features a low input impedance to prevent inaccurate readings caused by ghost voltages, enhancing its reliability. Its large white LED backlight is a thoughtful addition for those working in dimly lit environments, providing clear visibility. Designed with portability in mind, it comes with a compact carry case that conveniently holds all necessary accessories for HVAC tasks.